Hi everyone, welcome to your history class. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, evolution, of very interesting chapters. So without wasting any time, quickly let's start the chapter. But before we start, let's recap a few things. Let's remember a few things we learned in the last chapter. We learned about Big Bang Theory. Now, what does Big Bang Theory say? That billions of years ago, there was no life, right? There was no life, there was no plant, no animals, nothing. There was just a lot of hot gases. So one day, these hot gases, a big cloud of these hot gases started moving in very fast speed in circles, and at one point in time they exploded. And then after this explosion, we got the sun, we got planets, stars, so many, our earth we got because of that. And that explosion is called the Big Bang Theory, right? So we'll watch a little glimpse of a video about Big Bang Theory. So see, the hot gases, very hot gases moving in circles, and boom, they exploded. After explosion, the earth became very cool. Before it was very hot, and after it became hot, we got the planets, the stars, solar systems, the entire galaxy basically we got after that. So yeah, that was the Big Bang Theory. We also learned in the last chapter about the first type of living thing. So we learned that the first type of living thing was not a plant, not an animal, but just one cell. One cell. What is one cell? Now our body is made up of a lot of small blocks. These small blocks is called one cell. So this one cell, the first life on earth, was called the protozoa. The protozoa, right? So we also learned that the first life on earth was called protozoa. So what, now we're coming back to the chapter, and now we're going to discuss what happened after Big Bang Theory. Okay, Big Bang Theory ho gaya, earth mil gaya humko, we got our first life called the protozoa. This is a picture of protozoa. After that what happened? ठीक है, इसके बाद ह्यूमंस कैसे आए? अभी तक प्लांट्स नहीं है, एनिमल्स नहीं है, आदमी नहीं है, इसके बाद लाइफ अर्थ पे हुआ तो हुआ क्या? So after that, one cell became many cells. एक प्रोटोजोआ एक साथ इकट्ठा हो के it became many cells called multicellular plants or animals. And उसके वजह से बने water plants, animals and fish. So for example, starfish या corals, or so basically these are the pictures of the first type of multicellular many cells वाले living things. So water plants, not normal plants, not हमारे रास्ते पे जो plants देखते, not them, water plants. So like these, then fishes, starfishes, water animals, basically all these things came after protozoa. So these are the first type of multicellular, many cells वाले living things. After that, what happened? After that came our plants that grow on land. So the regular plants that we see. After that came the first type of animals called dinosaurs. Okay, so सबसे पहले आए one cell protozoa, then many cell water animals, fishes, water plants, then came normal plants, then came first type of animals, dinosaurs, then came birds, and then came apes like chimpanzees, monkeys, different types of apes. और फिर apes आगे जाके बने human beings. So imagine हम basically बंदरों से chimpanzee से we have evolved into human beings. So now why these changes? So earth was constantly changing, right? Temperature was changing, nature was changing. कभी earth बहुत hot था, कभी earth बहुत cool हो रहा था. There was continuous changes on earth, and some living things were able to survive. Some living things were able to live in these changes, but some living things were not able to live. For example, dinosaurs could not live after some point of time because earth में इतने changes आ जा रहे थे कि dinosaur की body could not survive anymore. So ये changes जो होते रह रहा था, because of which new living things were being born, new living things were forming, नए living things आ रहे थे, कुछ living things मर जा रहे थे. All this is called evolution. All right. So the word is evolution. Repeat after me. Evolution. So what exactly is evolution? New living things forming because of changes in the environment. Environment is also called nature. Is called evolution. नए living things जो form हो रहे हैं, क्यों form हो रहे हैं? Because of the changes in the environment. क्योंकि environment में इतने changes जो आ रहे हैं, उसके वजह से जो new living things आ रहे हैं, they are called evolution. For example, जैसे पहले सिर्फ apes थे, human beings थे भी नहीं, पर ape से evolve होके monkeys और chimpanzees से evolve होके man बना. So man is basically कहाँ से आया है वो? बंदरों से आया है, chimpanzee से आया है. Nothing to laugh, but I'm sorry. Now, this person called Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was the first scientist to explain evolution. जो पहला इंसान जिसने ये explain किया है ये theory of evolution, his name was Charles Darwin. Now, I want you to pause here and write all of this in your notebook. I also want you to write this, make this chart in your notebook. Okay, properly you are making this chart with proper arrows and everything, and you're also writing this in your notebook. All right, quick questions. A, what is evolution? Write the answer in your notebook. B, who was the first scientist to explain evolution? Okay. A, evolution क्या होता है? B, who meaning कौन? कौन first scientist था to explain evolution? जिसने evolution explain किया हमें. Moving on. Like I said, there are living things that are able to adapt. Adapt मतलब क्या? Adjust. Okay. Adjust to changes in the environment. Environment में बहुत changes हो रहे हैं. Some earth is becoming hot, earth is becoming cooler, plants are coming, new living beings are forming. So all these changes जो हो रहे थे, इसकी वजह से some living things were able to survive. Survive means what? They were able to live. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ बर्ड्स कुछ एनिमल्स अभी भी है जो बहुत बिलियंस ऑफ इयर्स अगो से भी आ रहे थे और अभी भी अर्थ पे हैं. बट देयर आर सम लिविंग थिंग्स दैट कैन नॉट अडेप्ट टू द चेंजेस, जो कि एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते टू द चेंजेस इन द नेचर. ओके, दे डू नॉट सर्वाइव, दे डू नॉट लिव. These living things are called extinct. The word is extinct. Example, dinosaurs. So billions of years ago, there were dinosaurs on Earth, but these dinosaurs do not exist anymore. Why? Because Earth kept changing, Earth का nature change होने लग गया, and dinosaurs की body में इतना वो adapt वो नहीं कर पाए, वो adjust कर ही नहीं पाए. So they died. All of them died because they couldn't survive. So they are called extinct animals. Okay, extinct. So yeah, two types of living things, extinct and non-extinct. जो living beings changes के साथ adapt कर लेते हैं, they're called non-extinct. और जो adjust नहीं कर पाते, मर जाते हैं, they're called extinct. For example, dinosaurs. Now talking about dinosaurs, we're quickly going to watch a video of dinosaurs, of a few different types of dinosaurs. Now, dinosaurs is a very interesting concept. So let's watch. That was quite interesting, right? Dinosaurs are very interesting. I love reading and watching videos of dinosaurs. Now, dinosaurs do not exist anymore. Dinosaurs अब इस दुनिया में और नहीं है. Why? Because Earth was changing. Earth का environment change हो रहा था, nature change हो रहा था, and dinosaurs could not adjust to the changes. So now they called extinct animals क्योंकि वो अब दुनिया में और exist करते नहीं है. So yeah, dinosaurs is an example of extinct animals, animals that do not exist anymore because they cannot survive the changes of the nature. All right, and that with that we come to the end of the lesson. We're quickly going to answer these 5 questions and then submit the answers to our bhaiya or didi. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. A, living things that living things forming because of changes in the nature is called dash. Living things जो form हो रहे हैं because of the changes, जो changes nature में हो रहे हैं उसके वजह से जो living things form हो रहे हैं, इस process को क्या कहते हैं? Environment, evolution. Write the answer in the blank. B, dinosaurs are dash animals. Options: extinct, excited. Dinosaurs किस type के animals है? Extinct or excited? C, Dash was the first scientist to explain evolution. Dash first scientist था जिसने evolution explain किया था. Charles Darwin, Charlie Chaplin. Okay. 3 fill in the blanks question. Question number 2, true or false? True or false? Man came on earth before plants. Man plants से पहले दुनिया में आया है. True or false? B, animals that cannot survive with changes in the nature. Animals जो कि survive नहीं कर पाते हैं nature के changes को are called extinct animals. उनको extinct animals बुलाया जाता है. True or false? Yeah, बस these many questions. Write the answers. Quickly send the pictures of your notebook to your bhaiya and didi. And that's it. We will meet in the next class. Bye bye.